Hello, Chris and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch our webinar on JRS Light Commercial Products. We will be introducing you to JRS Light Commercial's family of products. We will also have an overview of sales and marketing tools, new products we will be introducing, a short summary. As you can see, we provide a very nice selection of JRS light commercial products. We do provide a nice assortment of roof drains, floor drains, sanitary floor sinks, floor cleanouts, water hammer arresters and hydrants, back water valves, grease interceptors.
Bob, if you don't mind, I'd like to take this opportunity to talk more about the products a little more in depth. And first of all, here we have our 100 series roof drains. If you'll notice here in this slide, we do illustrate a PVC roof drain. It is all PVC construction. We have two different size drains available here. They go from 2-inch all the way up through 8-inch outlet sizes, and they provide excellent corrosion resistance, so very durable and long lasting, and they're very lightweight, easy for the contractor to transport and install. Also included in our roof drain section, we do have all cast iron construction roof drains. As you'll see here, we have a primary drain, an overflow drain, and then we have a combo drain. A primary and overflow all in one, and it's all three of those are also available in 2-inch through 4-inch outlet sizes.
Chris, can the JRS roof drains be mounted from the top of a deck?
That's a good question, Bob, and yes, the cast iron units can, because they come with what we call a top mount deck plate. You'll notice there that square flange actually has securing holes in all 4 corners, so it can drop down, set on your deck, and be secured directly to it, so eliminates that under deck clamp and that additional man under the roof. Next here we have our floor drains found in our 200 series section of the catalog. We do offer quite an assortment of floor drains for non-membrane floors or on-grade applications, as well as membrane floors or shower drains. First of all, I'd like to mention our non-membrane floors, which are provided with a cast iron lower body, 2 through 4-inch outlet sizes. They come with a full range of tops, beginning with a square and round tops, and nickel bronze in cast iron finish. Then for membrane floors or shower drain applications, we do offer an adjustable drain with a cast iron lower body with flashing collar, and it has adjustable strainers available in nickel bronze, polished bronze, and chrome plated finish in round or square shape. Also, for a shower drain, we do have ABS and PVC drains as well, and it comes with an adjustable strainer that has a stainless steel grid. Also, you'll find in our floor drain section trap primer valves. We do offer a trap primer valve for single drain applications, as well as a unit with a distribution unit attached that can prime up to 4 drains at one time.
Chris, you mentioned the trap primer valve, but does our floor drains come with trap primer connections?
They do. The adjustable drain that has the cast iron lower body for non-membrane applications does come regularly furnished with a trap primer connection. Floor sinks. Floor sinks are found in our 300 series section of the catalog. We offer PVC floor drains in 9 and 12-inch top sizes. Of course, PVC provides excellent corrosion resistance, so very durable and long lasting in that sanitary environment. As well as we have cast iron units in 12-inch square top sizes, and the cast iron units come with the porcelain enameled interiors. They also provide excellent corrosion resistant. They're available in a range of body depths, beginning at a 6-inch deep body, 8-inch deep body, as well as a 10-inch deep body. They're provided in a flanged or flangeless body. And we do offer a full range of tops or grates for all of the units, PVC and cast iron, full grate, half grate, as well as a 3/4 grate.
Chris, you mentioned the grates. Do these floor sinks come with dome bottom strainers?
Yes, they do, Bob, and I apologize for not mentioning that. But yes, all of the units do come regularly furnished with a dome bottom strainer. Cleanouts. As you'll see here, we do have quite a selection of cleanouts found in our 400 series. First of all, I'd like to start off talking about cleanout tops, just provide access to cleanouts below. These would be used where the contractor themselves fabricate their own cleanout out of the piping and fittings that are available. We have those available in a round and square top shape, and they'll fit over 2-inch up through 6-inch pipe sizes. And then we have an adjustable floor cleanout provided with a cast iron lower body. And it comes with a full range or full selection of tops available in round or square, nickel bronze, and cast iron material. All of these adjustable tops do come with a gasketed cover to aid in the protection of that sewer gas, as well as they can be provided with an internal closure plug as well. And lastly, here we do have a non-adjustable heavy-duty cleanout for exterior applications that comes in a 2 through 6-inch pipe connection.
Do these adjustable cleanouts have their own body?
The answer to that is no, Bob. Actually, it does not. We utilize the same body for the 410 series, that adjustable floor cleanout that's used back over in our 210 adjustable floor drain series. So this is very convenient for that stocking wholesaler that minimizes his inventory. One body will serve two purposes, cleanout or floor drain. Very good question. Okay, next here we have our water hammer arresters and hydrants, which you can find located in our 500 series section of the catalog. The water hammer arresters begin with the smallest unit, the AA size, all the way up through F as in Frank. So we do have the full range, full selection of sizes for those. They're available in a threaded as well as a copper sweat connection. Also, hydrants you can find here in our 500 series. We do have a wall hydrant that's regularly furnished with a chrome-plated finish and user-friendly wheel handle. It does come with an integral vacuum breaker as well. And it's available in a 4-inch through 12-inch wall thickness. Then for your mild climate areas, we have a seal cock or hose bib as it's referred to. This also has the user-friendly wheel handle, integral vacuum breaker at the hose connection, and it's available in a rough brass or chrome finish.
Chris, does these hydrants comply with any of the ASSE standards?
They actually do, Bob. Yes, both of them. The wall hydrant actually complies with the ASSE 1019 standard, and then your hose bib actually complies with the ASSE 1011 standard. So I appreciate you bringing that up. Backwater valves. Backwater valves are found in our 700 series section of the catalog, and we have a couple of units available. First one I'd like to start off talking about is our 701 series, which actually is installed in your vertical drain line at the point of connection to your floor drain itself. So of course it lends itself to new installations, but also existing drains where you have problems with backflow. It can be easily installed, and it's available in a 2-inch, 3-inch, as well as a 4-inch pipe size. Then, of course, we do have our sewer valve available in PVC as well as ABS material. Of course, it comes with a accessible cover for ease of inspection and cleaning, as well as an extension sleeve can also be provided when it needs to be buried to extend it up to finished grade. And this sleeve is easily field cut to meet that installation condition. And interceptors, they can be found in our 800 series section of the catalog. We do have quite an assortment of grease interceptors, fabricated steel, as well as polypropylene units. The fabricated steel units begin with a 4-gallon per minute size all the way up through the 50-gallon per minute size. And our polypropylene units begin at a 15-gallon per minute up through the 50-gallon per minute size. The fabricated steel units can be provided in a couple of different ways. One is a low-type unit where you need an on-the-floor interceptor, but you have a very low rough-end condition, for example, on a dishwasher. We do have the low type. Also, for our fabricated steel units, they can be provided with a grease draw-off valve. This is a very nice feature. Makes it user-friendly for that kitchen staff because nobody likes removing the cover off a grease interceptor and skimming it out. They simply open a valve and draw the grease off, and that's easily done. And then our polypropylene units come with quick latch covers, so the cover can be removed in just a matter of seconds for servicing and cleaning. And also you'll find in our interceptor section, we have a couple of solids interceptors available. They are out of ABS construction. We have an on-the-floor unit as well as a suspended unit. And both of these units come with quick latch covers as well as removable sediment buckets to be able to easily service.
Chris, you might have mentioned it. What about PDI certification?
I failed to mention that, Bob, and that's a very good question. Yes, all of our interceptors, the grease interceptors, all the way up through the 50 gallon per minute units are PDI certified and carry the PDI certification label on the cover of the unit itself. But Bob, is there any way that the wholesaler or a rep or the contractor out there can get any more information on these products?
Yes, there is, Chris. Thanks for asking. We do have our own JRS Light Commercial Catalog. In that catalog, the catalog includes product photos, technical drawings, and a detail of the product.
Great.
We also provide a JRS product family photo that allows easy scan of all the products we offer, and the numbers correspond with the numbers that are in our catalogs.
What about that wholesaler or rep that wants to promote the JRS products? Do we have anything to help with that?
Yes, we do. We have tabletop displays, which include the product family photo, catalogs, and an assortment of products. We also provide a cutaway of our polypropylene grease interceptor. And we also have available, and would be happy to provide to wholesalers with a JRS Light Commercial counter display. This also has some different products attached to it. And we offer a 16 by 20 wholesaler counter mat. And we do a lot of advertising in wholesaler magazines with our JRS Light Commercial products.
That's great to know, Bob. It looks like we make it very easy for our products to be promoted and sold out there in the field, and like a lot of great accessories there. But you mentioned earlier about new products, Bob, and I think this would be a great time to go ahead and introduce our products to the field.
Yes, Chris, we have 4 new products that we're going to introduce. 3 of them are floor drains with or without flanges, and 1 is a GI extension.
Hey, great. Bob, if you don't mind, I'd like to take this opportunity to talk a little more in detail about each one. First here we have our Series 202-H03. It's an adjustable floor drain with a PVC lower body with a 3-inch hub outlet connection, so it can be directly connected to the PVC piping, plastic piping out there in the field. Of course, it is designed for on-grade applications, non-membrane floors, and it's going to be provided with an adjustable nickel bronze strainer with heel-proof openings. And next we have our 209 series. The 209 again uses that lower PVC body, this time with a 4-inch hub outlet connection, and it's still designed for your non-membrane floor applications. But we have a wide range of strainers available for the 209 series, a 5 and 6-inch round and square nickel bronze, as well as a 5 3/4 round cast iron strainer also for those unfinished areas. What's great about the 209 is these are not separate strainers that you have to stock. We're utilizing the same strainers that are available for the 210 series currently, but just with this PVC body. So same strainers, but we have multiple bodies now that can be used with it. Then now for your membrane floors or shower drains, we have the 211 and 212 series that's coming out with a PVC or ABS body. You're going to have your cast iron flashing collar for clamping of your waterproofing membrane for those applications. The outlets are going to be available in a hub by slip or a hub outlet connection with a 2x3 hub by slip, 3x4 hub by slip, and then a 4-inch hub outlet connection. and that body will come regularly furnished with a trap primer connection. Just like I mentioned earlier, for the 209 series, we're offering those same tops currently available for the 210, 5 and 6 inch round and square nickel bronze, and the 5 and 3/4 round cast iron are also compatible with the 211 and 212 series. And then GI extensions, we get calls quite often about whether an extension can be provided for our grease interceptors, and the answer is yes now. We can provide a stackable extension, very installation friendly. All you have to do is remove the cover, place the extension on, and tighten up one bolt, place the cover back on top of the extension, tighten up one bolt. The installation is done in just a matter of a couple of minutes. These stackable extensions will be available in a 2-inch and 4-inch heights, and multiple extensions can be stacked to accommodate and meet that installation requirement. But also, Bob, can the people in the field, is there more ways to find further information here about our products?
Yes, there is, Chris. Thanks so much for asking. We do have a new website. It's under JRSProducts.com, which has all of our products listed. You can also go through link through JRSSmith.com. And of course, we cannot forget the wholesalers. They're very with the products we supply. And in summary, I'd like to mention the JRS Products is now a more complete offering for the light commercial design-build market. We've listened to your input. We've added some nice new products. We have a lot of new sales tools. We have the JRS Catalog. We have displays for shows and for wholesalers. We have counter displays, counter mats, and we have a new JRS website that you can look up our products. Stocking program incentives are available for the JRS products. We are committed to growing this product line, and we will continue to add new products in the future. Chris and I thank you for your time and your business.